Hello everybody, thank you for watching. In this video, I am changing the door handle on my 2005 Ford Ranger. Two-wheel drive, 4-cylinder. That has nothing to do with the door handle, but it is a single cab. So, practically all you have to do is break the old one off because it's going to be hella hard to drill through the rivets. Drill through the rivets, pound them out with a punch, and remove the door card, 2 screws, and pop the windshield, window roller arm off, remove the door card, and you can install your handle. I go through it in this video for you. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe and like this video, and comment if you would like to ask questions or anything. This is a metal Ford Ranger door handle instead of a plastic one. So remove the handle by drilling out those rivets on the front. Anymore. I got that shot. We're done with that. Yep, all I'm going to do is just pound that once with the punch. So, Loctite the bolts I'll show you how it all goes in. You gotta remove this. At the bottom, there's a piece that hooks to this and holds this. You want to push it off. It's plastic. It's in there. And you want to pull this out. I'll show you how to reinstall it. I'll try to. So this is how you want to do this. You want to Loctite this shit. Okay, so you want to have your handle like this. Bolts Loctite, handle like that. And you feed it in through the front. Here, let me set this here. I should do it. Feed it in. Push your bolts up into the holes with your fingers. It didn't come with no gasket, but you could probably fabricate a gasket for it for sealing, but it's a Ranger, so excuse me, you want to hold the one side and hand thread them 2 bolts on, and then hook the pin up into that furthest see that plastic thing there? You push the edge of that rod into that plastic and then slide that retainer up. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So here's how this works. Yeah, push it in and push that clip up and you're good. Metal. It ain't breaking.